boys, girls. How's the weather been round your way? I don't know. Seems really odd. There's absolutely no way of knowing from day to day. We've had high winds, torrential downpours, sunny days, frosty days, high winds, torrential downpours, frosty days, sunny days. Now, I'm not an exponent of global warming. I believe that the world goes through cyclic changes, but this, I don't know, it's just a bit rapid for a cyclic change. So I'm thinking, is there something in global warming? There are two sides of the argument, aren't there? Those who firmly believe global warming is down to us, and those who believe that it's a cyclic event of the planet. Now, there are scientists on both sides arguing the toss. But for all the years I've been alive, this winter is odd. Wind a bit. See, now when I started out this morning, there was virtually no wind and it was frosty. Now it's blowing a hoolie. And it's a rapid change. So which side do you come down on? Are you a global warming kind of person? Or are you an Earth going through a cyclic change sort of person? I've always been Earth going through a cyclic change sort of person, but I have to admit, having seen a lot of winters, they are getting odder. And let's be honest, this planet does pollute. But the other side of that coin is, if a little country like Britain is trying to be carbon neutral, will that have any effect on the giants like China and America, who are still pumping out millions, billions of tons of carbon? And why are the big countries so averse to change? It's got me wondering. And whatever opinion comes back, how do I know that's the right opinion? Because of these scientists. Scientists who are saying it's global warming, we need to cut carbon. And then there's another scientist, respected on both sides, saying no, it's a natural phenomenon. I, for my bit, believe that we should be more respectful of the planet, excuse me, especially things like plastics and biodegradables, recycling. I recycle as much as I physically can. And I try not to buy anything wrapped in plastic. But it's hard. Hold on a minute. Oh, it's windy. that was windy. That's one way of doing it. Leave it on a block of wood and toddle off down the garage with your puncture. Yeah, you go to a supermarket, everything's wrapped in bloody plastic. Now, we've got to a stage where all we've got within an intelligent distance of travel are supermarkets. If I want to go to a greengrocer or a butcher, I've got to use petrol, carbon, and travel 20 odd miles. So 40-mile round trip. So my only option really are the supermarkets. And everything you get in a supermarket is wrapped in bloody plastic. And a lot of the plastic trays they use are not biodegradable. So what the hell are my options? I'm thrown away, when you look at the list of what they'll accept for recycling, a lot of plastics that aren't recyclable. Yeah, it's starting to annoy me. I can't do much, but I can do my little bit. I recycle my glass, my tin, the lids off things, every plastic that is recyclable, fastidiously. But at least 30% of the plastics I get from the supermarket are not biodegradable. Sorry about the wind, I haven't got a lot of choice. I have written to the local council, funny enough, saying, well, you know, you're recycling for money, you collect all this plastic and you actually sell it on, but what about doing your bit and taking away to be recycled, because it can be recycled, it's the choice the council makes. They go to a certain recycler who will only accept certain items, and the other recycler that will accept all of it won't pay them as much. So it's actually the council's choice. I don't know. I'm not an eco warrior, but pretty pissed off at the state of things at the moment. There you go. That was my rant. You know what to do. Have fun. Ride safe. Annoy the miserable sods. And tell me how I get around this plastic problem. And we're talking here a lot of food. Necessary foods. Not silly stuff. Bye.